Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Are you looking to list items on eBay? Well, this video is completely for you. It's gonna be easy and simple. So first of all, what I'm gonna do is click on my eBay, which is right here, and then I'm going to go to selling category and click on sold. This is in our case, I don't have any items, so in that case, they will tell me that I have to start selling listing so I can add some items. Click on add start listing and click on list an item right through here. Once you get to do that, this page will open, so try to tell them what you are going to sell. For example, in my case, I'm going to sell computer, so I'm going to choose this one and I'm going to search for it. Now they will give me similar product that already has been changed or like saved on the database, so I can basically just copy the items that are in here or the information, so I don't have to go through all of the filling informations in the next bracket. So here, as you can see, for example, I'm selling something similar to that. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to choose it is new, and here look what will happen. I will have the image ready, the title ready, and even some information that are not really like maybe you would not even know about them that are already has been built for you right here. So this is very awesome, guys. You need to actually use this feature for yourselves. Now once you have done that, make sure to check the price, make sure to put your description, and work on the title in case you didn't want this one, since everyone might have been using the same. Work on the SEO, search on every detail here, make sure that everything is according to what you are intending to sell, then click on list it. This is exactly how you can do it. So thank you guys, and see you in the next video.